This is crazy. Look at Sammy. This is the back of our house. Look at our porch. There's Christine over there shoveling. Sammy trying to make his way to the snow. This is February, what, 2nd? 3rd? One of them. Winter 2011. And it is a blizzard out here. Look at this mess. Come on, Sammy. Come out of there. Come this way. Let me put this shovel down. Come on. Come on. Can't make it through, can you? And there's Christine. This is crazy. I'm coming this way. I gotta come this way. There's my car in the driveway where I got stuck. Danny's on his way out. I'm in the garage now. Come on, Sammy. It's time to go in the house. He actually boo-booed. Come on. Come on, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good boy. Oh, man. And this is our porch. This is our back porch. Look how high that snow is on the door. Going in the front now. I'm about to get him in. He having a ball. I can't believe he boo-boo. Oops. And look at the house across the street, Carlos' house. All the way up his steps into the door. That car got stuck. My car is stuck in the driveway. We about to shovel all this out. Oh, would I love to be in Florida right now. Winter Wonderland. Blizzard of 2011. Remind me of 1967. Later.